is Rita Puspita Dewi. I am from University of Putra Bangsa Kebumen. I would like to do my presentation about home industry. We made this presentation to fulfill an English class assignment. In this presentation, we are going to talk about home industry and one example of home industry. Let's see it together.
Home industry. First, we must to know about definition of home industry. Home industry is a business at home, is a place of residence that doubles as a place of business, be it a service business, office to trade. Initially, the home industry players who had this design were entrepreneurs and professionals, which is now starting to spread to the general public. And then about home industry function. Home industry is able to expand employment and provide broad economic service to the community, can play a role in improving the community's economy and family income, reducing unemployment and improving community welfare. Home industry functions are: first, provide employment to residents who generally do not work fully, and then provide additional income not only for workers or family interests, but also for other family members. And then last three, able to produce goods needed by local residents and the surrounding area more efficiently and cheaper than large industries. Next, we must discuss about advantage and disadvantage about home industry. First, advantage of running a home industry. There are advantage and disadvantage to having a home-based business or home industry, but the same can be said for working in a traditional office. From what we have seen, home-based business or home industry are quickly becoming the fastest growing form of business startups. If you have decided to start your own business, you should consider doing it from your home. You will certainly be saving costs when you do as opposite to renting a commercial space. Here are 5 other advantages of having a home business. Number 1, flexible work hours. Running a home business or home industry affords you the opportunity to be flexible with your work hours. You determine when to carry out tasks and when to take breaks. You have complete control over your work schedule. You can work part-time and fit your lifestyle into your business time. If you have a family, you can take the liberty to observe some family time. Operating a home business will give you more flexibility with child care or care for elderly parents and other household duties and responsibilities. Next, number 2, very little or no commuting hassles. With the availability of computers, the internet, and communication technology, people can now send and receive messages, transfer data, conduct research, and carry out advertising activities from their homes. This largely eliminates the need to commute to any workplace. Similarly, the widespread use of cellular phones, pagers, voicemail system, and toll-free telephone numbers have ensured that people remain connected from wherever they are. Rapid technological advances have enabled large numbers of home-based entrepreneurs to earn the same income or more that they could have earned working a regular job. So, as a home business owner, the only commuting you may have to do is walking from one part of your house to another, except you have work that involve actually attending events, like photographers, or meeting clients and delivering products. This way, you get to increase your earnings while lowering your expenses. And then number 3, reduction in overhead costs and tax payment. If you are running a new business venture from home, you can greatly reduce your overhead costs and business expenses. First, you don't have to bear rent and transportation expenses. All home business share this advantage. This reduces the overhead expenses considerably. You don't need to maintain separate office premise, therefore reducing the cost that utility bills would have incurred. Depending on your tax regulation, you may even enjoy tax advantage in the form of deduction. You might also get tax benefits. You have to be conversant with the tax regulation of your area to determine if you can get an income tax deduction as an entrepreneur whose home is the principal place of business. You can contact the IRS to know more about this. And then 4, easy to involve the family in the business. Running a home business makes it easy for you to involve your family in the work you do. You can allow your children to be a part of your work if they are old enough to learn, and you could even employ them. This way, you get to teach them the value of work and get them to appreciate the work that you do. However, before you take steps to employ your children in your business, consult an attorney. This is so that you can ensure that you comply with all federal, state, and local regulation concerning employment. This regulation will depend on your locality. And then 5, convenience. Working from home is very convenient. Most owners of home-based business are self-employed. You can take any client you wish and turn down any job you feel less inclined to handle. Also, it helps you consolidate the basic aspects of your life, home or work, in one place. And then number 6, total control over income. As the owner of your home-based business or home industry, you are in complete control of all income because you get all the profits. This can lead to a boost in your income and help increase your savings. But this also means that you incur all the losses too. And next, we discuss about disadvantage of running a home-based business or home industry. Many people plunge into owning home-based business or home industry with great hopes and aspirations. They aim to set their own work schedules, make their own money, spend less time working, and increase their free time. But then, very few people realize the careful planning that is required to achieve these goals. In fact, the self-discipline required to run a business of this nature, even home-based business fail. Here are some of disadvantages of running a home business. Number 1, family demands can take a toll on work. If you are working from home, it's easier if you are single and wholly independent. With spouses, parents, and children around, family responsibilities may give rise to disruption in the course of business. Domestic interruption can clash with job deadline and disrupt the free flow of work. If you are at home, there might be no excuse for you not to keep up with household duties and responsibilities. Number 4, informal workspace. With family around, it may be difficult to have a private space for work purpose. Your availability at home every day may give the picture of one who is free, especially if you have no clearly defined workspace. Distraction can easily come up, and this will affect your work output. Next, number 3, lack of supervision and discipline. As a home business owner, you are likely self-employed, which means that you are your own boss. This means that you really have no one breathing down your back and insisting on deadlines, apart from your client, of course. There's also no one supervising your work, unless you have a business mentor who does this. Work from home may affect your workflow and efficiency. You have to be highly disciplined and exceptionally hardworking so that you do not take unwarranted breaks. Since you answer to yourself and you understand the excuse that you give, your work may be affected if the proper work ethics are not ingrained into your work. And then number 4, interference with family life. Many home business owners find that running a home-based business or home industry means that their business can cause a conflict with family life. Running a business out of the home sometimes means that family time is constantly being taken up by business needs. Sometimes you may have to work even after business hours, and this blurs the lines between home and business. It can cause a strain on the family. Number 5, lack of workplace camaraderie and feeling of isolation. If you are working from home, it can get quiet and lonely, especially if you are staying around the house all day. Some people who run home-based business suffer from feelings of isolation and being out of the loop. This feeling can be particularly serious if you have spent much of your former career in highly collaborative office areas with co-workers all around. When you leave that job and switch to a home business, you suddenly have no interaction with others. This can be counterproductive to the business. To curb this, you may choose to employ 1 or 2 people, even family members, to work with you. This team may work with you physically or remotely. This will also eliminate any kind of boredom you experience from working alone. And then number 6, the last, home front traffic. A home-based business or home industry may be a bad idea if your clients need to visit you. This can expose your home and family to strangers. It might even create conflict with your landlord or other tenants if you live in an apartment building who might be uneasy with the traffic caused by non-residents. And next, we must discuss about guidelines on running a home-based business or a home industry. Number 1, have the right motivation for starting the business. Your motivation matters. Don't just work because you are tired of a 9-to-5 job. Whatever business you choose to set up at home, make sure it is something that you love and can do as a hobby. There's no point leaving a regular paying job to set up one that frustrates you at home. And then have a business plan. Then organize your plan into smaller goals. Fix daily tasks and try to meet them before taking breaks. Having a financial plan and target is also a great idea. Number 3, deal with all the legal requirements needed to set up your home business. You may need to consult an attorney for this. Obtain the relevant information and license for your business. And then number 4, put the business plan in action. One of the first steps to take is to prepare the minds of your family members and enlisting their support. Creating your office in the home may bring about change in your family's schedules or lifestyle. You will be greatly relieved if you can deal with all such issues in advance. Number 5, establish an area of the home as an office space. Choose a location that allows you the space to work comfortably and efficiently without too many distractions. If you can separate your home office from the living area of the home, a professional decor would also help to enhance the air of professionalism to potential visitors as well as to members of your family. You can also have a separate phone line for your business. That way you can differentiate between personal and business calls. And next, I will show you one example of a home industry in Kebumen, that is Seket Car Wash. Seket Car Wash is a home business or home industry that started 3 years ago. The effort was made because the business opportunity in the area is very large because there are still few cars washes in the area. In a month, Seket Car Wash is able to wash approximately 40 units of cars and 12 units of motorbike. Currently, Seket Car Wash has 10 employees. The home-based business or home industry Seket Car Wash is able to achieve a very high turnover of around 12 to 17 million rupiah I believe this is a very profitable home business.
I gave a presentation about the home industry so that you know what the home industry is and understand the benefits and advantage or disadvantage of carrying out a home industry. I hope you guys also know one example of a home industry. The conclusion is after understanding about the home industry, we can conclude that the home industry has advantage and disadvantage. Home industry has been done by the general public. It can even be done through social media or directly. The benefits can be said to be very good. Okay, thank you for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. I will try to answer any questions you may have. See you.